Looking for a toner cartridge that combines quality with reliability? The genuine Ricoh black toner cartridge offers exactly that, delivering crisp, clear prints every time. Designed for high-yield use, it's built to handle up to 7,000 pages, so you get more done without frequent replacements. This cartridge fits perfectly with Ricoh's SPC360DNW and SPC360SFNW printers, ensuring smooth installation and seamless operation. No need to worry about compatibility issues or frustrating jams. This toner works right out of the box, letting you focus on your tasks instead of printer troubles. Users across the United States have praised this cartridge for its dependable performance. One customer noted how easy it was to install, while another highlighted the consistent quality of the copies it produces. If you want hassle-free printing, this toner cartridge delivers on that promise. What really stands out is the balance between yield and quality. With approximately 7,000 pages per cartridge, you reduce downtime and save on replacement costs. That means fewer interruptions and more time to focus on what matters most, your work or projects. Inside the box, you get one genuine Ricoh toner cartridge, ready to slot into your printer without any extra setup. The genuine design ensures that your printer runs optimally, protecting it from damage and maintaining the sharpness of your prints over time. If you're tired of subpar toner that fades or clogs your printer, switching to this genuine Ricoh cartridge is worth a look. It offers peace of mind with every page, letting you print confidently whether it's for business reports or personal projects. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The genuine Ricoh black toner cartridge offers dependable, high-yield performance that keeps your workflow steady and your prints sharp. Try it when you're ready and see the difference genuine quality makes.